Hello and welcome to another task video. In this task video, we are going to learn about login form validation. So in HTML, actually, if you see in many websites, you always see a login form. A login form has a username, password, and then it will go back to the backend and it will check whether the username and password it matches. When there is matches, it will say okay, you are successfully logged in, and then it will go to the dashboard. So you can see any websites, any applications. It works like this. So normally in HTML, so we are going to learn the basic part of HTML. So where we have a form, so the form is actually and this is the action. This is where the action. So the action is going to be the URL, and then the method is going to be post. And here we're going to have three different labels: username, password, and then we have a button called submit. So this is a simple way of writing a login form. So we are saying username, please enter your username, please enter your password, and then submit. So what happens if you have a registration page? So you say like this: registration page. So here you're going to have another action. So since you're first time registering, you're going to have another URL, and here we're going to have different things actually. So you need to ask them the username, password, and you can also ask them more information about them. So it can be like, for example, just copy this, and before this you can ask them last name, year, also last name, and then here you can have something called first name, you got it? So last name, first name, and you can also ask the email address so that you can send them confirmation of email. So email, yeah. So this can be instead of submit, you can say also value can be register. Yeah. So this is a small example of how you can do the registration page. So before we had a login page, and now we have a registration page. And what happens if someone, if you want to create a new form like this, you have to create a new page for that, and you can use different input types, because there are different ways you can write. If you have a checkbox or radio buttons, you can also use that. Or most probably for registration, for login, you will have input type as a text, or yeah, so that, or but most of them are password or text or username, and then so this is how you write a registration page form, or you will write in a login page. Yeah, I hope you can play around with this and try different types and different things, and think about the different use cases, and make practice so that you will understand more about this. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in another task video.